Biafrans all over the world, Kaiba Nketi Kirigodi this video. Watch out this video from beginning to the end. You watch a chaya. A mara na oge awogi geji we kwado onwegi. Ma kele Chineke n'ihe ọ na-eme. Ka I watch godi this video. Achọghọ m isi ya n'olu Igbo. Maka na ihe a a very sensitive matter. Geenụ ntị ka unu watch ya this prophecy. Gwakwa m ihe I chere n'ebe anyị na-atọrịkọta uche. Ndewo.
To explain. I told Waka Waka now, like what I told her, I told him that our leader I saw our leader appearing in Israel. And after that, I saw our leader arrested again. Our leader was arrested again. The country where our leader was arrested again is a small country, but African country. Just I saw our leader, he was arrested and was about to be killed. Later on, I saw him on that dream that the letter took him to Buhari. They brought our leader to Nigeria. And when they brought him to Nigeria, they took him to prison again. So I was telling this to her. She said, I told her that this is what will happen. Isn't that what I told you? So just, so look at that. It is going to be done. Even if it is not this year, it will be next year, 2 years, 3 years to come. And after our leader was arrested, he was took to, he was brought back to Nigeria. And after that, the prophecy I got last night. So the prophecy I got was, I saw our leader MAZI NNAMDI KANU appearing in a country. In a country of Benin, how will I put it? I saw our leader appearing in Israel. So, as he appeared in Israel, everywhere started shaking. With so surprise, he was playing in that my dream. So, after that our leader, I saw Biafra coming. And as I saw Biafra coming, I saw Nigerian military men killing innocent people. I saw Nigerian military personnel going after villagers, killing people in the village, massacring people. I saw governors supporting them. I saw youth dying. I saw villagers burning. I saw cars burning. I saw war. This war that I saw is exactly what I saw in 2013. This war that I saw is exactly the message that came to me 4 years ago, 2013. The same message appeared to me on that dream. That was last night. So it appeared to me that war is going to be happening. Biafrans is going to raise men. Biafra is going to raise men that they will be called Biafran soldiers. He's going to raise men. And those men, their aim is to protect the life and properties of Biafrans. So, and at the same time, I saw death coming. I saw people dying. In fact, what I saw in my dream, my sister, if I started today to be explaining, is very, how will I put it? Difficult to explain. I told Waka Waka now, like what I told her, I told him that our leader I saw our leader appearing in Israel. And after that, I saw our leader arrested again. Our leader was arrested again. The country where our leader was arrested again is a small country, but African country. Just I saw our leader, he was arrested and was about to be killed. Later on, I saw him on that dream that the letter took him to Buhari. They brought our leader to Nigeria. And when they brought him to Nigeria, they took him to prison again. So I was telling this to her. She said, I told her that this is what will happen. Isn't that what I told you? So just, so look at that. It is going to be done. Even if it is not this year, it will be next year, 2 years, 3 years to come. And after our leader was arrested, he was he was brought back to Nigeria, and after that, everywhere started shaking. The world was silent for some seconds and started shaking to the extent that everybody started supporting Biafra. I saw our leader coming from the prison again, appearing with a Biafran flag. I saw Biafra coming, rejoicing, the people of Biafra rejoicing. But never forget that bloodshed will be done in Biafra land, whether good or bad. People will start killing themselves, more especially those soldiers that we believe will start fighting against the evil ones. And another group is going to be out. Those group that will be out will be those that will be. I mean, let me explain it. I'm sorry not to see so let me speak in the one you can understand. Group Bundi na-aga pụta bụ ndị si n'ụlọ mkpọrọ pụta, ndị si n'ụlọ mkpọrọ pụta, ndị o megidere, ndị Nigeria gọọmenti megidere, ndị like ndị ka otu ga-esi kpọọ ya, ndị na-enweghị nne na nna, na ndị polisi kpọrọ ha n'ike, ndị polisi akpọrọ ha mee ha arrest. So both ebubo ha touch afọ suffer from Nigeria government from prison, emeche wee release ya, ha gaza form their group fight was against police and army. So this is what I saw is going to be happening. Go and write it down. There are a group that is going to be out, and that group, their aim is to fight Nigerian military soldiers and military police, and their aim will be to kill any man on uniform. Write it down. My vision always come to pass. Just write it down. Today is 4th November. Saturday, 4th November, 2017. Go and mark my words. Waka, just write it down. Should in case of I die tomorrow, you just remember this my prophecy. Remember this is going to be done. You understand? But like I'm saying it may not be this year, but next year, 2 years to come. Our leader MAZI NNAMDI KANU will not die. He will live. He will not die. He is the director. He is the leader. He is the one, the Moses of our time. So God chose him alone to restore Biafra. And he is going to restore Biafra. Biafra will be restored. Biafra. But I will ask you, don't trust anybody. Do not trust anyone. Do not trust anyone. In this struggle, don't trust anyone. Those who are the first is going to be the last. And those who are the last is going to be the first. What I mean on this, like you, Waka Waka, I know that you are closer to our deputy leader, MAZI NNAMDI. I know that you are closer to him, and you are closer to so many of our leaders. But please, what I will tell you today is play for your life. What I saw is very dangerous. Play and be careful. I don't want you to eat anyhow. I don't want you to follow people anyhow. Those that you trust will be those that will kill you. Be careful. Please, be very careful. My brother, I thank you so much. Mazi Chika Austin. Sample for you, my brother. You are one in a million. I still believe in you. You people are the ones that fight for my release, because if not you as a journalist writing, publishing my arrest, and other people publishing it, I don't think we'll be alive. I believe that we was released because Almighty Chukwu Kikabiama want us to be alive, to witness the restoration of Biafra. I'm a God sent. So no one is righteous. I am not righteous in the presence of God and in the presence of men. You understand? These words that I said, go and write it down. Today is Saturday, right? Write it down. Today is 4th November 2017. If I ever in my life betray the restoration of Biafra, let me die. Let my generation be wiped out. I will never do it. I don't want to be in any post in IPOB, and I can never be in any post in IPOB. But the best friend of Nnamdi Kanu is going to betray Nnamdi Kanu. Mark, this is a prophecy that came to my face right now. The best friend of Nnamdi Kanu is going to betray MAZI NNAMDI KANU. The only person that MAZI NNAMDI KANU trusted is going to betray him. So it's better that he forge ahead, even when it happens. MAZI NNAMDI KANU should not be afraid. He should continue. All we know is Biafra is going to be restored in our own time. There is no two ways about it. Biafra is going to be restored. So that is all I can say.